Hey guys, welcome back to the Cotton channel. So today we'll be learning how to install new fonts to your MacBook, so you can use that in your Microsoft Word, your PowerPoint, your Photoshop, or whatever application you're using. So first thing you want to do is look for fonts. So the safest way is actually to go to Google Font, and then let's say if we want this Roboto font, and then we click on it, download the family, and then once it's done, you can just click on it, and then it will open up the folder. And what you want to do is you want to select all of these, and then you just open them, and then just click on the install button, and then it will be installed in your font book. So once you have installed your font, it will appear all here, and then you can manage it from here, and then you click on it, it will kind of show the A to Z and stuff like that. And these are my lists, and you can start creating your own list, and then you can actually have different ways of seeing the fonts and stuff like that, even the information and stuff like that. So now you know. So we have come to the end of this video. I hope you like this video, and if you like other hidden features on MacBooks and stuff like that, please do hit on the subscribe button and the notification bell button. I'll see you guys in the next video again. Bye bye.